Trauma isn't just a buzzword. It's something that many of us carry with us every day. And it doesn't just live in our memories. It lives in our bodies, in our breath, in our muscles, in our nervous systems. I'm Lea Bender. I'm a trauma-informed yoga teacher with years of real-world experience, not only at places like Omega Institute, but also in drug recovery facilities and jails. I've worked with people experiencing tremendous trauma from addiction to abuse, and I've seen how the tools of yoga can really help. So I would love for you to join me on the beautiful grounds of Omega Institute, where we'll have a whole weekend to explore how the tools of yoga, from breath work to meditation tools to mindful movement to the profoundly restorative experience of yoga nidra, can help to manage and even over time to heal trauma. Now, this isn't just a weekend for those seeking self-care. If you are caring for a traumatized individual or working with traumatized populations, this is also a weekend for you. You'll learn simple yet powerful techniques to help people manage trauma, and you can bring those back home or to your workplace. So I hope you will join me for this weekend of restoration, of learning, and of healing.